Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new, my name is Stella Rafani Panoji. Thank you so much for sticking with me and for coming back. I love you so much. So in today's video, as you can already tell by the title, I'm doing what's on my iPhone. I know nobody requested it, but I just feel like doing it. So recently I got an iPhone 11. Why is it so white? It's so white. It's not white, it's light green. Some what if I don't know, but it's light green. I think the contrast is not letting it focus or something. The light green one, and I love this one so much. Please don't come start saying it's expensive. I know it's very expensive, but I got it because I really need it, because I've been using this iPhone 6 for like 4 years now, and as you can see, the camera is no longer good. Like I've not actually taken a picture of myself for like 5 months because of the camera is so blurry, and as you can see here, it's all broken, like if you can see here. So I saved up and I got myself a new one, and no, nobody got it for me. I got it myself. So I'm not bragging, but it pays off, like, to work really hard to get what you need and not always wait for somebody to get them for you, if you understand what I mean. So today maybe I'll post a video on me unboxing the phone. I really just did a small video of me unboxing the iPhone. I really needed the iPhone that I couldn't wait to film it like properly, like make a proper YouTube video of me unboxing it, but I did it, but it was a short one. Maybe I'll put it up, maybe, or maybe not. But I got this phone like not long ago. It's not been like 2 weeks or so, I don't think, and I still have the carton right here, as you can see. So everything is still in. Oh my goodness, look, it's still in it because I'm using the same charger as my other phone, so I don't feel the need of using all of the new stuff except the earphone, headphone, whatever you call it, because it has this type. Let me show you. It has this USB type, this block phone type, but this one actually has the second one here. The reason why is because this one has 2 speakers here and here, but this one only got 1, and when you're playing music in 2 of them, this is so loud, like you are playing music from a real speaker, like home theater or something. So but you can still use this block earphone on this one, so it's a win-win. So I got this fancy cute pouch, phone case, yeah, but we'll call it pouch, it's still the same thing for it. So let me just put it in because this phone is so slippery, like it could slip off my hands. How about it? Isn't it cute? It's so cute. The reason why I got this phone is because I really need it. The camera quality is so fucking amazing. Like, this is my camera. If you actually look back on my videos, if you've been watching my videos, the last 2 videos I uploaded, I filmed it with this phone, and it's so clear. This phone actually films in 4K, like it films in HD, it films in 4K, like how cool is that? But this my camera is Canon PowerShot 420, and it films in 420, 720, and maybe you may think it's amazing, but this camera is very cool. And you know, in Nigeria, you can't just go out filming with your camera just like that without maybe permit or something. Maybe some stores or maybe restaurants, you can't just do it. But with this phone, you can just film without anybody like coming to harass you or something. So it's really cool. Like, I got it because I'm a YouTuber, and in the future I'm planning to change up my content. I'll be filming more outdoorsies, and I really need it. So let's just get on with what's on my iPhone. Not really much, but I see people doing it, I decided to do it. So let's get on. I don't have any like screen saver whatever, I just have a plain black whatever on it. OMG, I'm sweating so badly because we don't have lights. I know in Nigeria they always take light and it's so frustrating. That's why I'm filming in the sun. If actually there was light, I'll film with my ring light because that way I will be chilled, you know. But let's just get on with the video. The first page you see is just normal whatever. That's shortcut. Is it shortcut whatever? I don't know. But the main page is where you have all the apps that came with the phone, yeah. But we're not going to get into that right now. So let's just get on with from the second, was it? Okay, the last page, which has all the apps probably I downloaded myself and a few of the ones that came with the phone. And when you come to this place is my finance, my first bank app, my Fidelity and my PayPal. They're just how my first bank is my bank, Fidelity Bank also my bank, and PayPal, well, no, PayPal is we use it to receive and send money and buy things online. Yes, that's it for the second one. And the social networking, I like to group them because I don't like leaving apps all over my phone. I just like to group them, you know, in the box so that it will be easier for me to access. So the second one is social networking. That's just my favorite like social network I'm on. Like first Instagram. We have Instagram here, and we have Thriller. Like I don't I don't make videos on Thriller that much, but I'm trying. And TikTok also, I'm so bad at TikTok. I don't even know how to edit TikTok's videos, but I'll try. Like I'm trying. And Twitter, I actually have Twitter, but I think I have like 10 followers on there. I don't actually open the app. I just open it since Big Brother started. I just like to go there and, you know, watch and read all the gossip. And here is my messenger, my Facebook messenger, my Facebook app, and Snapchat. We all use Snapchat mainly just to film videos and maybe send chat snaps. I just like sending snaps there and people will watch it, but I'm not active there. And my WhatsApp, in all these apps where I'm mostly active is this WhatsApp and Instagram. Others are just there. And you can follow me in all of them, Stella Orafu. Maybe I'll put it here, but my Instagram has stella.orafu because someone just took Stella Orafu and abandoned it. But I'll make sure I take that account down soon. But if you guys love me so much, just go and report the account. Report it as many times as you can, because you can't just open an account and abandon it. Like, who does that? So the third photos and videos. Here is where I have my YouTube stuff, my YouTube studio, YouTube app, and TubeBuddy. I like to use TubeBuddy. If you're not using TubeBuddy, like you're missing something. Like it's way easier to like manage your YouTube on there. Like if you actually have money, like you can buy the premium TubeBuddy and it helps with your creativity. Like on YouTube, it can help you title, post, and all that. It makes your work easier, and you can actually learn how to do so many cool stuff on there, like when to upload, how to upload, what to title your videos and all that. All the keywords, everything is on there. Just go try it out. It's so cool. And Fonto, I have Fonto. I used to edit my thumbnails, and InShot, I just use it to merge my videos and also. But I don't use it to edit my video like I post on YouTube. I just use it to edit normal videos I post on maybe my WhatsApp story and all that. So, and the next is my utilities, voice, compass, measures, calculator. I don't use this at all. I only use the calculator to calculate the numbers. You know, we need to calculate the numbers. And I have the next one is my game. Yeah, I used to play a lot of games, but since I got this one, the first game I downloaded was this Candy Crush. I love it so much because I used to play it a lot on my other phone. Like Once I got the phone, the first thing I did was download Candy Crush because I love the game so much. I'm on level 637 or so. I don't want to open it because if I open it now, I'll just get distracted. So, and here is my airbrush. I use this to edit my pictures, like way cool. I've made a video on this before, like how to edit my Instagram videos and all that. I used this airbrush. And here is my Gmail. Easy to receive mail and all that. And Netflix, I'm like, oh my god, Netflix are eating all my money, like the coolest video app ever. And my contacts, my watch, my audio book, audio mark, sorry, my what is the audio book? Audio mark here is if you have an iPhone and you don't want to go buy music on iTunes stores and all that, you just download audio mark. You just use it to download free music. Yeah. And here I have my Bible. I'm a Christian and I love and I worship God. So here tips, I don't know what this is. And FaceTime, I don't really use FaceTime a lot because most people in Nigeria, like my friends, most of us will have iPhone, but we don't really make use of FaceTime. We use WhatsApp to call, video calls and all that. I've never actually used FaceTime before. So this is Find My Friend, and this is so cool. I added one of my friend on this, and whenever I ask her where she is and she doesn't want to tell me, I'll just use Find My Friend and I'll find her and I'll tell her you are there, and she always all the time forgets that she's my Find My Friend. And when with her, it's like so cool. And this is Bolt. Use this to get, it's just like Uber, but I don't know whether it's everywhere in the country, but I know it's in Nigeria. We use it to go around, and there is Uber in Nigeria, but this is way easier for me, like. And files, iTunes stores, of course, iTunes store where you get music. And shortcuts, like I've not used this before, but shortcut means like you want to, is it shortcutting your app? In fact, I've not used it before. And iMovie, yes, I use iMovie to edit my videos. Like I film, even filming with my camera, I still use this iMovie to edit my videos because it's way easy and to understand and way easy to cut and join videos on there. Like till now I'm still using iMovie. Till the day I'll have enough money to get myself a MacBook, that's the day maybe I will try to upgrade to the laptop version of iMovie or maybe Adobe Premiere and all that stuff. But I don't really know how to edit with my laptop yet. I have one old model HP like that, but I still don't know how to edit with it. So I'm still using my phone to learn to edit. After filming with my camera, I'll extract the video from my laptop and put it in my phone and edit. So that's just how I do it. And to the next page, you just have all the file that came with the phone. Books is where you just read books online, I think. Yeah, because I've not opened it, but I've tried opening it once in my other phone. And here is podcasts. I've not done it. I've not listened to any podcast before, but we all know what podcast is. And here is wallet, where you save your credit card number, whatever in it. And camera settings, TV. Here is where you save movies and all of that stuff. And stock, probably Apple stock, whatever. And app store, where you download apps, games, all of that stuff. And weather, mail, maps, Chrome, Google stuff there. And photos, here is where it's just like gallery, yeah. And home, what the fuck is home? I don't know. Clock, yes. Health, you check your whatever, I don't know. Notes, yes, I use this a lot. I'm a YouTuber. I used to, whenever I'm maybe sitting and one idea came into my mind, I would just open book and type it in and save it there. That's just how I do it. And reminder, I use this a lot. As you can see, I have 3 reminders. I have like a notification, and it's what I'm about to do after this video, and they've been giving me the reminder sayings. And yeah, and here's calendar. And so the next page is like the apps you use frequently, I think. Yeah, as you can see, I love using Candy Crush and all of that stuff. And Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook, I just open it once in a while. And Gmail, I open Gmail a whole lot. And my video and my photo and my settings. I don't know. Okay, I just opened settings now just to bring out this dot you are seeing, this touch whatever, so that you can see where I'm going, as you can see. Yeah, so and then that's all the apps in my phone. And let me just show you how I brought out this dot here, this dot. So let me just put it back, go into settings. How did I do it? I have forgotten. Accessibility, I think. Then you go to, okay, I don't think you're even following me. Accessibility, when you open settings, you go to this accessibility right here, and then you go to touch here, and then you go to assistive touch up here, and then you see this on and off. You just click it, and that's it. Voila, it's all done. So that's it for what's on my iPhone. I hope it's even interesting. I don't have much on my iPhone. I just have basic things that everybody has. Maybe with time I will still download more stuff that I needed, but most of my apps are even on this phone because I didn't use the same iCloud. I had complication with the iCloud, so I had to get a new one so that in the future I will still be using the same one. So I'm still trying to transfer my files and all that. So that's it for today's video. If you like it, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please turn on post notifications so that I'll be notified whenever I post a video, because 90, or in fact most of the people watching my videos are not subscribed, and the ones subscribed, I don't know whether they are watching my videos. I don't know. Just turn on post notifications so that I'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I don't know why YouTube are not recommending my videos to my subscribers, or maybe to strangers that are just working, like maybe opening YouTube or whatever. But YouTube, please help a sister out, because I'm struggling to survive in this world. Yes, please help me, because I'm trying my best to make this work. So that's it for today's video. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what you would like to see from me next, because I'll be making videos, and sometimes when I make videos I feel it's not necessary to post that video, and I'll end up not posting it. I have made like a bunch of videos, like 10 videos or 9 videos if I count it, but when I watch it and look back, I'll be like, my subscribers won't like this, and I'll end up not posting. I don't know what you people like. And for the hair stuff, I'll be doing it more often, but if I don't know what you like, because focusing on the same thing is tiring. Like doing videos about hair all the time is so tiring. Like I don't want to do that. I want to like be mixing it up, so that I just want to be versatile when it comes to creating content. I just don't want to base on one thing. So if you'd like to see something from me, just leave a comment down below, and I will always come through for you. I always do. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.